we are really grateful for this opportunity to convene different stakeholders. Kasi this is a microcosm of what we have emphasized earlier, yung importance of different sectors. Although we're not yet complete here dito sa AWOL, but as mentioned, medyo mahaba-haba pa yung process of this initiative on sodium reformulation, but we need to start something, right? And this is a good start of conversations, and of course, hopefully magkaroon ng follow-through na activities para ma-materialize. And we're truly grateful that each representative here sitting on this table has their own initiatives. That's why we want really to align, and yung strategic framework that we have in the Department of Health really guides all our stakeholders kung saan tayo patungo. No? So, pare-parehas lang naman tayo ng goal, no? To make Filipinos healthier. So, yun lang. We need to just align ourselves para hindi rin complicated yung efforts natin pagdating sa communities. No? Kasi, syempre, minsan may tendency na may initiative sa auto region, sa Leyte region. So, at least lang isa yung messaging natin para hindi rin mag-cause ng confusion. So, yun lang, maraming salamat po.